Good morning, students. Welcome to Good Samaritan School Isapur online classes. This is your social studies class, and today we are going to study chapter 7, Our Country, India. So let's begin. India is a country of vast geographical expanse. In the north, it is bound by the lofty Himalayas, the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Wash the shores of Indian Peninsula. What is peninsula? The peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides. So let's have a look at the map. You can see here on three sides it is surrounded by the sea. So therefore it is known as the peninsula. Now India has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometer. The north-south extent from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is about 3,200 kilometers, and the east-west extent from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch is about 2,900 kilometers. The lofty mountains, the great Indian desert, the northern plains, the uneven plateau surface, and the coasts and islands present a diversity of landforms. There is a great variety in the climate, vegetation, wildlife, as well as in the language and culture. In this diversity, we find unity that is reflected in traditions that bind us as one nation. India has a population of more than 120 crores since the year 2011. It is the second most populous country of the world after China. So China is the first most populous country and India comes just after that at second spot. So children, next we are going to see the locational setting. India is located in the northern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer, 23 degrees 30 minutes north, passes almost halfway through the country. From south to north, mainland of India extends between 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitudes. From west to east, India extends between 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degrees 25 degrees east longitudes. So these degrees and latitudes and longitudes we have seen in the previous chapters. According to those, the location of India is as such. If we divide the world into eastern and western hemispheres, which hemisphere would India belong to? Due to great longitudinal extent of about 29 degrees, there could be a wide difference in local time of places located at two extreme points of India. So there is some time difference as well. As such, the difference between these 2 points would be of about 2 hours. So there is a difference of 2 hours. As you have learnt earlier, the local time changes by 4 minutes for every 1 degree of longitude. The sun rises about 2 hours earlier in the east, Arunachal Pradesh, than in the west, that is Gujarat. You have already read earlier why the local time of longitude of 82 degrees 30 minutes east has been taken as the Indian Standard Time. This meridian or longitude is also termed as the Standard Meridian of India. So, whatever time it is at this meridian, that is considered to be the standard time for India, Indian Standard Time. Next is India's neighbors. So as you can see in the map, India is surrounded by some neighboring countries, by which we mean that we share a common boundary. So then they are called as our neighbors. There are 7 countries that share land boundaries with India. Let's find them out in this map. So starting from here, you can see Pakistan, Afghanistan, Tibet, China, Myanmar, and Maldives, and then Sri Lanka. So all these are the neighboring countries of India, and Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh are also our neighboring countries. So children, for your homework, take a map of India, political map also you can take, and then mark all the neighboring countries that surround India, that share the boundary with India. Okay, so I hope you understood this. We will meet again in the next class.